So, what the hell is an action? Well, an action is a series of repeatable steps. For example, we come over and use the brush tool and start brushing on the picture, or we use one of these adjustment layers and make a few adjustments. We can record those steps and create an action. So, for example, this is the actions palette, and if you can't see it, you can come up to Window and Actions. It'll show up on the palettes on your screen. And for starters, I've got a folder of actions. So this is my beautiful skin tones I made for a course a little while ago. And I've got probably 8 actions inside there. And in every action, there's a series of steps. So merge visible, make adjustment layer. And inside that, I've named the layer, I've changed the opacity, I've changed the blending mode. So that's pretty much what I do. So now, whenever I want, I can come and click on the action, and of course play the action. Just to show you down this bottom bar, it's just like a record player. Stop, record and play, so we can select and play. We've got folders, we can create new actions, and we can delete the actions. And lastly, on the left hand side, we've got toggles. So within each action we can toggle on and off certain commands if we like, and you see how that turns red. It means they're not all toggled. And we've also got like command boxes, and this will actually stop the action mid-play, and we can set the current layer and do a different adjustments. So that's it. I hope that helps, and if you've got any more questions about actions, please ask. Otherwise, I'm just going to show you a bit more in the next video.